Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Physics for You, and today I am going to explain a simulation which explain the working of a cyclotron. First let me explain you what is a cyclotron is. So the cyclotron is a machine which used to accelerate to a charged particle to high energies. So I am repeating, cyclotron is a machine which used to accelerate charged particle to high energies. So a cyclotron which consists to metal containers called Ds, as they have the shape a D letter in the same as a D letter, and these two are placed opposite to each other, and a magnetic field will be applied in this container perpendicular to the surface of the Ds, and in between the Ds an electric field is applied. Since these two are metal container, so no electric field will be affected the charged particle inside the Ds. Hence, the charged particle experience only the magnetic field inside the Ds and only the electric field in between the Ds, which means the charged particle, due to the magnetic force, will move in a circular path inside the Ds and will accelerate in between the Ds due to the electric field. Once the charged particle attained suitable velocity, will be exit from the exit point. So this is the theory part, a brief theory part of a cyclotron. So as I have explained you, I just want to summarize the concept. So here the two fields are present here. One is a magnetic field which is inside the Ds. The other one is an electric field which is in between the Ds. So the electric field will accelerate the particle and the magnetic field will turn the particle into the circular motion. Now let me show you the animation part, how the cyclotron will work out. So see here, this is a positive charge particle, and so let me show you. So see, it started from the rest. So in between the Ds, so this is the in between the Ds part. So in between the Ds, it is just accelerating. When it is enter into the Ds, it moving in a circular shape. Once again, if it is enter into the electric field region, again it is accelerating. So yeah. So see now, which means the particle attains a maximum velocity, a suitable velocity, suitable energy, let me say, then it is exit from the exit path. So let me play it again. So please understand. So here, so let me point out. So this is the electric field region. So please don't mind, yeah, for just a moment. Yeah. So this is electric field region where the particle will accelerate, and this is the magnetic field region where the particle will move in a circular path. That you need to understand here. So now let me play the animation once again. So now, so see, in between the Ds, which means where the electric field is acting, there the particle is accelerating, and when it is enter into the magnetic field, it is moving in a curved path. Yeah. Now let me see what will happen if I double the electric field. So let me play. So did you observe here? So when I doubled the electric field, which means the particle attaining desired energy even at very low time. Why? Because more the electric field, more the acceleration, so more fastly the energy can attain. Now for example, if I double the magnetic field, then what will happen? So please observe, when you double the magnetic field, the paths are more curved in nature, and the particle takes more time to exit from the exit point. So yeah, so this is how a cyclotron, this is the working principle of the cyclotron. So for the animation, please go to the description part. For more videos, please do subscribe.